How to find Kling AI promo code. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get free promo codes for Kling AI. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Now let us jump right into the video. So Kling AI provides you with free credits before you get started with the website. And once your free credits run out, then you'll have to purchase their plan. And if you don't want to do that, then you should enter some promo codes that will help you use this website. Now let's see how you can find free promo codes for Kling AI. First thing you're going to have to do is open up a new tab on your PC or a phone and simply search for Kling AI promo codes and then hit enter. Now you'll be able to find different websites here that will provide you with different promo codes for Kling AI. So what you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up these links in a new tab. So you could also check out other websites like x.com and see where you can find these free promo codes. You're going to have to browse through these websites where you'll be able to find such codes. So here on these website, you'll be able to see different discounts, view the codes. So go ahead and click on this and you'll be able to see these codes which you can use to get certain discounts, or sometimes you will be even able to use them for free. So you can just copy these codes and paste it when you check out on Kling AI and you should be good to go. So that's how you find promo codes for Kling AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.